Do you believe in a higher power than the government? Do you love your country? Do you support the institution of marriage? Then you are far right, extreme right wing. Do you support human rights such as self-defense, freedom of speech, private property, and so on? Then you are far right, extreme right wing. Do you support the murder of unborn babies? Do you support giving people special rights based on what they do in the privacy of their bedroom? Do you support the plan to tax cow farts and burps? Then you are an angel of hope, love, and tolerance. Totally not mentally ill.